day in 5th grade at Walnut Grove, we did an experiment.
Science is one of my favorite subjects because of how many experiments we can do.
We mixed two chemicals together and it created a new chemical, carbon dioxide.
White and blue. Related to something we know about? Really scared.
Oh, dang it, there's another hole.
You're drawing. Anybody tell me what cannabis
It made a bag explode, but sometimes there's a hole in it, so it didn't explode.
Holy. I love doing experiments and thinking about science in a systematic way.
Oh my god! Oh, it explodes! Oh, it's spraying stuff all over.
I love science because it makes me understand the world around me.
Oh,